Good morning students, this is your science class. Today's topic combination of resistance. लास्ट ई क्लास में हमने ओम्स लॉ के बारे में स्टडी किया था. व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ, हाउ टू बी प्रैक्टिकल प्रूव व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ. टुडे वी स्टडी अबाउट combination of resistance. Last class में I will explain what is the resistance. Resistance is hindrance of current flow any of conducting wire. Today's we study series combination. What is series combination? How to be work? What is the formula of series combination? Today we start series combination. Series means one by one. Any of conducting wire. मैंने यहां पे एक फिगर ड्रॉ किया है. This is resistance R1. This is the conducting wire A and B, and the second conducting wire is B and C. This is the resistance is R2, and the conducting wire third C and D. The resistance is R3. Which potential in each resistance conducting wire A and B, conducting wire B and C, conducting wire C and D, and the each wire having difference potential. V1 in conducting wire A and B, V2 conducting wire B and C, and the V3 conducting wire C and D. It means in the series combination the potential difference is differ for every and each resistance, but I is equal all in resistance. यहां पे I equal है सारे के सारे सर्किट में, all circuits, and the difference between R1, R2 and 3, and the potential difference is V1 in R1, V2 in R2 and V3 in R3. This is a battery. This symbol I will explain in last class. This is switch, battery, this is conducting wire. अब आपको यहां पे शो हो रहा होगा this conducting wire joined in a series pattern. एक series pattern में मैंने इसको कनेक्ट किया है. This series pattern show series combination. A and B conducting wire connect another wire B and C and D in a series combination. Okay, and what is the definition of series combination? In this combination resistance are joined such R1, R2 and R3. इस combination में जो resistance connect होते हैं that's called series combination. R1, R2 and R3. R1 is resistance of conducting wire A, B. R2 is resistance conducting wire B and C. R3 is resistance conducting wire C and D, and the V1 is potential conducting wire A and B, B and C, V2, C and D, V3, and I is equal in all circuit. Different नहीं होगी. I जो है I की वैल्यू सब में इक्वल होगी. A, B, B, C and C, D is the conducting wire. How to be proved that? What is the formula of series combination? According to Ohm's law, what is the Ohm's law? V is equal to I R. यहां हमने पढ़ा था V proportional I. The potential difference is directly proportional of current any of conducting wire. V is equal to I R. R is the constant, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं इज द प्रोपोर्शनल कांस्टेंट. I इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करंट, V पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. और V को हम यहां पे इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज V इज डिफरेंट ईच ऑफ कंडक्टिंग वायर. तो वी कैन राइट दिस V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3 इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. है तो सभी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ही, तो इस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को हम यहां पे V लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? अब V they are differ in all conducting wire. यहाँ पे V जो differ है सभी conducting wire में A, B, B, C and C, D. It means V1 according to Ohm's law, V1 is equal to I R1 because I is equal in all circuit. इसलिए यहाँ पे I, मैंने यहाँ पे I को I1, I2 या I3 नहीं लिखा, इसलिए नहीं लिखा because I is equal in all resistance. V1 is equal to I R1, V2 is equal to I R2, V3 is equal to I R3. We can add this. V is equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. We can add this, and I is equal. We take it common. It means V is equal to I R1, R2 and R3. What is the formula? According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. अब हमारे पास what is the V? The value of V is I R. I R is equal to I. This is the formula. According to this equation, I R is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. The formula of series combination is R1 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula of series combination. That's clear? अब मैं आपको some series combination numerical थोड़ा solve कर देता हूं. That's this is three conducting wire. This is the point A and this is the point B, and the R1, R2 and R3. R1 is 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. Find out the total resistance in the conducting wire between A and B. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है A और B में जो भी कंडक्टिंग वायर है उसका टोटल रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. व्हाट इज द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर्मूला? द फॉर्मूला इज R इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. इट मींस टोटल रेजिस्टेंस R and between A and B. R1 is 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the total resistance? 6 ohm. In this type numericals to come your board exam. And the second is we find out V is equal to 5. We find out I. We can find out V. And we can find out R. V is equal to I R. This is the formula according to Ohm's law. We can find out all these I, V and R for this formula. तो आपको होमवर्क में मैंने लास्ट जो होमवर्क्स दिए हैं उनमें मैंने आपको सर्किट से रिलेटेड कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स दिए हैं जो आपने अभी तक चेक नहीं करवाए. तो इससे रिलेटेड जो भी होमवर्क मैंने लास्ट क्लास में आपको दिए हैं, लास्ट वीडियोस में आपको दिए हैं, लास्ट ई क्लास होमवर्क में दिए हैं, वो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूलाज, दिस सर्किट V इक्वल टू I R. And the second is parallel combination of resistance. We will study out next E class. That's clear? Thank you, friends.